So I wanted to go ahead and share the opening of this Roam Diffuser from doTERRA. I love it because it's beautiful, as you're about to see, and then it also, you plug it in and you can actually take it off of the charger and take it from room to room with you. So that is amazing, because especially there are times where I will sit down to start some work and just put oils in the diffuser and then need to go to a different room because my kiddos need me or something else takes me away from the room I was in. And this is just so nice because you can just take it with you. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So you open it, put this over here, and this is what's inside. So you have your little manual, instruction manual, which is nice. The charging cord, which we'll deal with in a minute, and then here is the diffuser. This is heavier than I thought. Okay. So it's definitely a lot heavier than I thought. So here it is, and it's a lot heavier than I thought. It says a ground stone, so, and you can definitely tell it's stone and not just like a plastic diffuser, which is really nice. And then this is where I think you charge it. So you just put it on there, and then let's take a look inside. So there's the top, and then this is where you add your water and your essential oils, and then you simply just put that back on. And there are functions down here to turn it on and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and show you how it works, but I just wanted to show you what you get in your box. You get your charging cord, and then also this manual, which I'm going to take a minute and read here before plugging this in. Okay, and then once you have that all set up, you go ahead and come down here, and you can press the on button here. You can hold so it's on currently. You can change the color. Turn it back on, or you can change, right now it's running continuously. You can also change it to intermittently as well, so it'll go on every little bit as well. So again, this is the Roam doTERRA diffuser. Super excited. Like I said, I love that it's not plastic, it's stone. It's beautiful, and then also it's just super easy to, once it's charged a little bit, I don't know how charged it is, but you can just simply take it off the base and take it from room to room with you, and if you notice, it is still diffusing. So there is up to, I think, 4 or 5 hours of battery life for this guy when he's not on the charger, as long as he's fully charged. I don't think this one's fully charged yet, but we'll see. So, okay, well, let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon.